Nubia has officially unveiled its 2024 Ultra flagship smartphone. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the device builds on its predecessor's strengths with a revamped design, an improved underscreen camera, and advanced AI integration via the company's Nubia AIOS. Packed with flagship-grade hardware and unique features, the Z70 Ultra aims to set new benchmarks in performance and innovation. Nubia has introduced a starry dome soft sand finish, providing a skin-friendly and delicate touch. The phone measures 8.6 millimeters thick and weighs 228 grams, available in Black Seal, Amber, and the exclusive Starry Sky Collector's Edition, with two-way satellite communication capabilities. The Nubia Z70 Ultra boasts a 6.85 inches AMOLED true full-screen display with no visible cutout for the camera, thanks to its 7th-generation underscreen front camera technology. With ultra-narrow black bezels reduced to just 1.25 millimeters, the phone offers an immersive visual experience. The screen supports a resolution of 1.5K and incorporates Phi-A compression routing for improved clarity and reduced distortion. The display boasting a faster 144Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits peak brightness. Under the hood, the Z70 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for lightning-fast performance. It also features AI Frame Perception 2.0, improving system fluency by 25% and app launch speeds by 50%. The phone is equipped with a 6,150 mAh second-generation silicon-carbon anode battery, supporting 80 watts wired fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse charging. Photography is a major highlight, with Nubia touting the industry-exclusive 35mm human eye bionic dynamic lens. The triple rear camera setup includes 50MP Sony IMX906 main sensor with OIS and a variable aperture of 1.59 to 4.0, 50MP ultra-wide macro lens with autofocus, 64MP periscope telephoto lens with OIS. Additionally, the phone features an SLR-level mechanical shutter button for precise focusing and shooting, elevating the mobile photography experience. The BOE-made AMOLED panel also features an optical under-display fingerprint scanner and a 7th-generation 16-megapixel under-display selfie cam. Nubia has continued to refine the UD selfie cam experience with an enhanced algorithm for clearer selfies and an updated 430 ppi screen area above the sensor. The Nubia Z70 Ultra is the first device to debut the company's Nubia AIOS, a fully voice-controlled AI operating system. Its feature mode simplifies interactions, while AI tools like time capsule smart assistants, screen-off chat, and AI translation bring convenience to daily use. Nubia has partnered with China Telecom, integrating a large model matrix that supports natural language, voice, and image recognition. This enables advanced features like multi-language conference translation, document assistance, and AI-enhanced photography. Connectivity includes 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, USB Type-C, and an IR blaster. Additional features like IP68, IP69 certification, an X-axis linear motor, and dual speakers enhance the overall experience. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.